Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2026 Freightliner M2 106, folks. It's a beautiful unit, white in color, 25-foot long bed by 102 steel bed with a mounting kit on the back for a Moffett, a Load Mac, and many other brands. 18,000 pound front, 44 rears, air ride suspension, 360 horsepower, Cummins engine, folks. Beautiful unit, chrome bumper, chrome rims, brand new tires, obviously brand new unit, new straps. Beautiful unit, folks. As I said, Moffett kit on the back. Will carry Moffett, Load Mac, and many other brands. Just let us know what you have. We're more than happy to make sure everything's gonna fit for you. 100-gallon aluminum tank, automatic transmission, 360 horsepower, air ride, driver's seat, folks. Beautiful unit, brand new. Kenwood stereo, folks, XM radio. Will connect to your phone, air conditioning, diff lock, dump suspension. You can see the build tag on it. Cummins L9, 360 horsepower. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at this 2026 Freightliner M2 106. Beautiful 62,000 GVW with a 25 by 102 steel bed. Moffett kit on the back. Give us a call. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.